Welcome to the ReadyRefresh AquaFlo Cartridge Installation Guide. Keeping your AquaFlo cartridge up to date is essential, so we recommend changing it every 6 months. To replace your cartridge, follow these simple steps. First, do not unplug the unit as you work, or it will not recognize the cartridge replacement. Sanitize your hands or wear gloves. Next, remove the lower door to access the bottle area. Switch off the hot water and remove the water bottle from the unit. Then, remove the hose from the bottle adapter and insert the red cap from your new cartridge package into the hose to prevent leaks. Unpackage the water bottle adapter and install the adapter by pushing the tube down through the spike cap to the bottom of the bottle. Remove the top cover of the dispenser by pressing the button at the back of the cover to release and lift it. Place a cup in the dispensing area to avoid spills. Pinch the end of the blue locking clip and open it to release the water tubing. Turn both blue clips outward to release the old cartridge. Lift the cartridge out of the dispenser. Install the new AquaFlo cartridge by feeding the tube into the inlet and pushing the new cartridge firmly into place. Turn the two blue clips back into the locked position and close the locking arm by pushing it down until it clicks. Remove the red plug from the end of the water tube and connect the tube to the bottle adapter. Place the bottle into the bottom of the dispenser. Reinstall the lower door, and that's it. Enjoy high-quality water with ReadyRefresh. Visit us at ReadyRefresh.com for all your home and office hydration options.